The countdown to the new post-Brexit relationship was projected across the departure gates at the French side of the Eurotunnel rail link. Moments later, the first lorry was having its documents checked.
Bonjour, monsieur.
The trade deal agreed on Christmas Eve means no tariffs and no quotas, but there is significantly more paperwork and most of it needing to be done in advance. The Eurotunnel operator is Getlink.
The change is really about custom formalities. Okay, now each time there is a truck coming here, they have to show us that they have done all their custom declaration online before coming here.
It's a significant change for logistics and haulage firms on both sides of the new trading frontier. The UK is expecting 220 million additional customs declarations every year at a cost to business of some $9.5 billion. The ferry crossing between the English port of Dover and Calais in France handles some 2.5 million freight vehicles every year, but less than 1,000 lorries were scheduled to make the crossing on New Year's Day. It's a gentle start for the new regime. Many haulage companies said they were holding off until the new systems have bedded in.
My hope is that given the opening couple of weeks of January are generally pretty light for us, and with the pre-Brexit stock build that we saw going on, that should enable those people that are trading during the period of time to train themselves and get used to working in this new way.
In fact, at the gates of the port, the biggest sticking point on this first day isn't Brexit related at all.
We had a plan all worked out, all ready to hold freight, to manage the freight, but now we've had to initiate COVID testing as well at a number of locations. So that's the biggest problem that we've got, because that was never expected, never planned for.
The key to keeping the ports open and running smoothly will be the speed with which the logistics companies get to grips with the new electronic and paperwork requirements. The early log jams are likely to be not here at the ports, but back at the factory gate or warehouse, with cargo delayed because the correct paperwork hasn't been filled in. These first quiet days of January, an opportunity for companies to familiarise themselves with the new practicalities. The real test will come when trade volume ramps up again around the 10th or 11th of the month. Paul Brennan, Al Jazeera, Dover.